Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing about your love reading, or we can say that this is your love reading video, and on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters. If this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the ascendant. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there on your side, Scorpios. So we have the Four of Cups on your side, on your Sun, and the Five of Swords have flipped out. Maybe you are doing something, or somebody is doing something to you because of which this happiness is killed, is coming off as an additional message. Maybe some self-sabotaging type of an energy. You're doing something which is sabotaging your own happiness. We'll clarify those things. So let's see, what is the energy of your person, the person you're dealing with, Scorpios. Five of Pentacles, okay. The most likely outcome for this situation, we have the King of Swords, okay. So as far as the Four of Cups is concerned, on your side, Scorpios, definitely you are very, very upset over something that you are not too focused on the loss, not really able to understand what the universe is offering you. I'm really upset, definitely. With the Five of Pentacles on your person's side, this person is also feeling ignored and rejected. Okay, they are also not happy. So both of you are at the same page, and the most likely outcome is the King of Swords. So definitely what I feel is there is a limited or a minimal communication, or no communication at all. Maybe you people are not talking to each other. So let's see, what is this Four of Cups about? Why is this Four of Cups on your side, Scorpios? So for the Four of Cups, we have the Nine of Swords, the Page of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. Knight of Pentacles. Okay, let's see, what is this Five of Pentacles? Why is this Five of Pentacles on your person's side? So for the Five of Pentacles, we have the Nine of Wands, the Page of Swords, the Ten of Wheels, and the Empress. Empress, and then we have the Star here. So huge change here. Okay, let's see, let's clarify this King of Swords. So for the King of Swords, we have the Knight of Cups, so the Two of Swords, and the Emperor. The Strength. We have the Chariot following it, just taking some more and seeing if there's anything positive. Anyways, so for the Four of Cups, we have the Nine of Swords, the Page of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that there is a lot of anxiety and tension. You are really, really upset. Maybe you're overthinking, overanalyzing, but this is something which is really disturbing you. And somehow what I feel here is that I don't know why I'm getting the, you are upset because you feel that you've lost the grip and you want your control back, you want the passion back. Here, you feel you're losing the grip. That's what I feel. You feel that you're losing the passion, you're losing the grip. Things are moving slow. That's what you feel. and that is why you are upset. You feel as if you're losing the control in this relationship. You're losing control, not control, not in the bad way, but you feel as if you're losing the person, you're losing the relationship. The passion is getting slower. That's what somehow I feel, and that is what is making you upset. You feel that the passion is dying out. Maybe it started off beautifully, but now you feel that there is a very less passion, perhaps. For the Five of Pentacles, we have the Seven of Wands, the Page of Swords, the Ten of Wheels, the Empress, and the Star. So though this person is feeling ignored and rejected, but what I feel is that this person definitely wants peace. They are not ready for any sort of resistance. They really don't want any sort of, for this person, they are healing. They are focusing on themselves. They want to be away from any sort of communication which is causing tension, basically. Okay, they don't want to talk about anything which causes tension to them, and they have understood that it's better to walk away rather than have that tension and that anxiety, because they really feel depleted. That's what I feel. They really feel depleted. Then they want to keep any communication which would cause disturbance in their mental peace away from them. Okay, and they have the clarity to move towards something else. That's what I feel. This person is have the clarity of a new beginning. They want a new beginning in some direction. Okay, they want some beginning in a new life. It can be their career. Maybe they are ready to focus on the career. They are ready to focus on something else apart from whatever this is, and they are wanting. They're moving towards a big change over here with the Ten of Wheels, the Empress, and the Star. This person is definitely clear that they want their wishes to be fulfilled. They want their dreams to be fulfilled. They want a new beginning. They want things to change. They really want happiness. They have a lot of, see, with the Tens of Wheels, a major change with the new beginnings and wish fulfillment. So what I feel here is that this person is, though they are feeling ignored and rejected, but this person has the clarity that no, I really don't want any such communication. I want peace. I want happiness. I want my dreams. I want this. I want that. Whatever they want, they cherish for. They want a new beginning. They want change. They want happiness. That's what they are looking for. For the most likely outcome, we have the King of Swords. For the King of Swords, we have the Knight of Cups, Two of Swords, and the Emperor. So what I feel is somebody here has to open up, and that is what this person is trying to take a decision. Maybe you're being strategic. Maybe since you're not talking, so this is a decision, opening up. There is love definitely here, but then maybe the ego is coming in with the King of Swords and the Emperor being there. So though there is love inside, the thing is, the decision is, somebody is trying to make up their mind as to what should they do, because they really want things to move fast. But the thing is that maybe ego is coming in the way. I really don't see this ending as such. That's what I'm trying to say. Somebody is trying to make up their mind. They're confused as to how to make things moving. Okay, that's what it is. As simple as that. I really don't see anything is ending here. Let's see what is the message. Choose love. You always have a choice. Make yours with love. Number 21 may be of some significance for you. So this is an additional messages, Scorpios, for you. So that's all I have. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.